night owl for sure not. He I love I love Indian Chinese. Like you take me to this place that has good chili chicken with Szechuan rice. Oh God. Yeah, I love it. I love Indian Chinese. Then I also like Indian cuisine, and sometimes say Italian works. I just told you chili chicken with Szechuan rice. Oh, my cheat meal has a long list. We can do another interview on the basis of what all I should not eat, but I tend to eat. Cheat meal again. I love. I don't have a sweet tooth, but I love modak. It's a Maharashtrian cuisine. Okay, it's मतलब उखड़ीचे मोदक is लाजवाब. अगर आपने try नहीं किया, then you should eat that. Okay, so modak, Indian Chinese, pizza. Yeah, and I should stop. No sugar. No sugar. Maybe natural sugar could do from fruits and yeah, but no sugar. I mean, that is something that I've been trying to avoid for the longest time. And I think I'm doing good. So I think a big no has to be sugar and fried food. Makhana. I love makhana. I think popcorn is also healthy. Yeah, makhana and popcorn. Spicy. I love spicy food. I love spice in everything. Like give me a salad and add peri peri in it and I'll be happy. Okay. Favorite dessert. Yeah, maybe modak or puran poli. I love puran poli and modak. So it's my go-to sweet dish and I ask mom to make it. I'm not a big fan of brownies and all sorts of that. I like to keep my diet food simple. I work out whenever I get time and I think no workout can go into waste. आप तब workout करें जब आपको time मिले. They say that ideally it's good to work out in the morning, but again, I take out say an hour and a half for me and I do weight training and CrossFit or sometimes yoga. So I work out whenever I get time. No, yeah, I can't do just with one dish. I'm a foodie. I have to have a variety. But घर का खाना और घर के खाने में तो सब कुछ आ गया. So I'm smart that way.
Body. So first is running and then swimming. So while traveling, the first thing, see, according to science and according to what the truth goes, 80% is your diet. So when I travel, the first thing, if I have like a long sked, like when I was doing my films, there were 40 days skeds outside. So the first thing I do is I raid the hotel kitchen. I sit with the chef and tell him my likes, my dislikes, my preferences in food, and I tell him how much I dislike heavy meals. I don't like rich food, rich in terms of butter and masalas and ghee and all of that. I just like rice. My my favorite meal is steamed rice and steamed vegetables. I could like eat that every day. So when I was in Hong Kong and I was staying in a hotel where there was no vegetarian food, it was an authentic Chinese place, and all I have eaten for 7 days is sticky rice with boiled parsley and mashed potatoes, like boiled potatoes, and I happily ate it. I happily ate it because I just felt so active and so clean. So yeah, for me, that's how I manage when I travel, and there's always a gym where I stay in the hotel. So I try to walk, or I try to swim, or I do my exercises. I carry my bands and everything. It's very basic. I think it's whiskey. I think whiskey is really healthy. I'm a teetotaler, but I've tasted all types of alcohol, and something which really does decently fine with my system is whiskey. But I'm an occasional, like once in a year kind of a wine drinking person. So for me, the climate in our country is not really suitable for so much of acidity which comes along with wine. But yeah, so yes, wine or whiskey. My favorite healthy munchie is, first thing is bananas and peanuts and nuts and almonds and walnuts. They are my favorite healthy munchies. Or my cheat munchies are soya crackers or hummus with lavash. I do a mix of both. So I do weight training with my own body weight in the form of cardio, which is plyometrics. So you pick up your own body weight and you do cardio. So that's like a mix of both. So I like both. But I am bored of the gym. I'm just exhausted. Yes, I used to. Initially, when I started, I used to go to Mr. Dhurandhar, who's now a retired nutritionist, but a very senior one. Now I go to Dr. Krishmi Chheda after Dr. Dhurandhar has quit checking up. So yes, he asked me to get a weighing scale. So I used to measure my food. And that's how I got my portion sizes correct. So I used to measure each thing which had to be cooked for me, and it would be prepared separately. So yes, I've done that, and I still do that. But now I know my portion sizes because I've been doing it for like 9-10 years. So
Hello, I'm Surpreet Channa and I'm here back again. So I'm going to reveal what I eat in a day. कोई सीक्रेट नहीं है, आप देख सकते हैं, कोई सीक्रेट नहीं है, सब खाती हूँ मैं. But since Pinkvilla is insisting and Pinky is my favorite, let's go ahead. How can you even ask this question if I'm a blessed soul? Clearly I'm not, you can see from the face. Everything that I eat comes on my face the very next day. So supposedly, right now we are at 10 PM. If I cheat right now, any meal at 10:30. कल सुबह की शूट में कल मैं लगूंगी मोटा टमाटर. पतला टमाटर, मोटा टमाटर, मैं मोटा टमाटर लगूंगी. So there is no escape for me. Clearly no escape for me. That's a nice question. I don't know how many of y'all follow about the morning ritual. So before going off to sleep, I drink a glass of water, and as soon as I wake up, the first thing I do after checking my phone, which is a bad habit, which is also not ritual, supposed to be, I drink the glass of water which is kept overnight. I don't know why I do it, but I always do it. So the water that I drink at night, जितना मैंने पी लिया, उसको मैंने ढक दिया, and as soon as I wake up, whatever water is left, I drink that, and then of course I go ahead with my freshening up and things like that. That's the only morning ritual I follow. Night owl, clearly. I really love sleep. I can stay awake till 2:30 maximum, and if I'm partying, I have the energy, but do not wake me up. Even in my school, college days, कभी मुझे सुबह कोई बोलता ना, जो कहते हैं सुबह बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई होती है, कुछ नहीं होती भाई. मेरी लाइफ में कभी सुबह अच्छी पढ़ाई नहीं हुई. मेरी लाइफ में पढ़ाई सिर्फ रात को अच्छी हुई है. And I've been a night person. I'm a person who loves South Indian cuisine. If you give me idli for the entire day, be it my breakfast, lunch or dinner, it can be my staple all my life. जब तक मैं मर ना जाऊँ. मुझे इतना पसंद है इडली, South Indian. But I have like a balance of breakfast. So there are days when I have poha. There are days when I have, like this morning I had aloo ka paratha because I was really craving paratha, and बिल्कुल normal आटे का, हाँ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So idlis, और मम्मी सूजी का कभी डोसा बना देती है. Eggs with a gluten-free bread is what I like because my sister gets it from Swiss, with butter. And of course I have my coffee with that, which has become now like a habit. Otherwise, nothing, just breakfast and I'm done. So these days it's coffee with only Swiss milk. हाँ, स्विस का हम दूध पीते हैं. स्विस की जो गाय मोटी मोटी होती है उसका दूध पीते हैं और उसकी कॉफी